time back in the UK and back in Motor City, where I oversaw the implementation of Forest School there as well. I'm sure you can tell which pictures are from which country, but you can see that Forest School is just as fun, whether you're in the UK or in the UAE. Why not Desert School? Well, one of the things that I've asked, why is it called Forest School? I know that some schools in the UAE have called it Desert School. We've gone for Forest School because A, it fits into our sustainability principles. We're obviously a green-themed school, but also these are the benefits of trees. Ultimately, there's lots to be said about having trees near where you are. They build connections, they help get people get active, they provide clean air, obviously. They're a safe buffer between you and cars around you. They provide cool spaces. Eventually, in about 16 months, 24 months' time, those trees will provide enough shade that most of the Forest School area will be in shade for most of the day, hopefully, and they help to reduce stress as well. So they're a natural shade. Rather than having a big canopy, we'll have a canopy of leaves and trees. So lots of good reasons for us to be a forest school and not a desert school. Okay? So we have gone with Forest School because of a variety of reasons, but ultimately being around trees is incredibly rewarding and has lots of health and mental health benefits. There we go. What Forest School lessons look like at Al Waha. So children will learn about knots, shelters, flora, fauna and fungi, tool work, fire, woodland management and managing their own safety. Children will have a chance to take risks, be imaginative, be creative, work as a team, be independent, self-regulate and explore and develop the school surroundings. And that's two of the really important bits, woodland management and explore and develop the school surroundings. The children will buy into Forest School, they will enjoy being part of Metropole Al Waha because they will have an opportunity to be part of growing the school. We have already in Key Stage 1 had the opportunity to plant plants as part of our Sustainability Week, and that's something that moving forward the children will plant and manage the trees and the environment within our school and manage our Forest School area. They'll have a direct impact on what it looks like moving forward. And I can tell you from personal experience, when you grow something from nothing and when you start a long-term project like planting trees and flowers, it's incredibly rewarding. I was speaking to my colleague that I set my initial Forest School up with 6 years ago, and he told me that the trees that we planted, that were saplings, so they were about that big, are now 12 foot high in our original school, and that's incredibly rewarding because long after I'm gone from that school, I've already left that school, but long after I'm gone from this country and planet, those trees will be still there, and it's incredibly rewarding to have that legacy. And it will be incredibly rewarding for the children to have that involvement as well. Some more pictures of what the lessons look like here at Al Waha. We've got children exploring our river. We've got children recycling from our tough tray there. We've sat examining some leaves and talking about why we don't pick the leaves off the trees. We've got lots of fun songs to remember those things like that as well. And we're talking about our environment as well. A lot of these activities, such as the tough tray activity, is children were picking up the rubbish from the sand with tweezers, as they will in class, developing their fine motor skills. So it helps to improve their writing, it helps to improve their core, and also when they have to do activities like that, they learn a little bit about our environment as well. So a lot of the things that they do in Forest School will help to develop them, not directly, but indirectly as better learners. Things like tying knots helps to develop their full fine motor skills, but also it will help you to save a few minutes in the morning because you won't have to tie the shoelaces when they're older. So lots of good reasons why we do things like that.